Hi there, welcome to my channel. As you can see, I'm painting these mirrors I got from Dollar Tree last year, but I'm doing craft with them today. You can see there are a couple of mirror frames that are black, but I still painted all of them with metallic black acrylic paint. Now painting is all done. I have to wait until they dry. I'll wash my hands and start with the next step. Okay. Now that all the mirrors are dry, we are going to start with this one. I have this trim and this rhinestone wrap, and these are the two things I'm going to use to embellish this mirror. It's easier to stick individual flower than the trim, so I separated the flowers from the trim and then stuck them around the mirror. I cut out the strips from the rhinestone ribbon wrap so that I could stick them easily on the frame. Stuck the rhinestone strips all around the mirror the same way. Instead of this kind of rhinestone wrap, you can buy one that you get at Dollar Tree, which is self-adhesive rhinestone wrap. That would be a lot easier to work with. I already had this, so I did not go to Dollar Tree and buy one. This is the mixture of decoupage glue and the glitter. Applied it on the black part of the frame because I wanted to make it look even more dazzling. Although the mixture looks white right now, when the decoupage glue dries, it dries clear and the sparkle of the glitter will show up really well. As I said before, I applied this mixture only on the black part of the frame. For the next frame, I decided to use glitter to embellish it. So to protect the mirror, I covered it with the paper circle. As you might know, glitter just flies all over everywhere once it comes out of the bottle. Here, glue is applied all over the frame. Doesn't matter which glue, it can be school glue or decoupage glue. And then sprinkle lots of glitter on it. Oh, this is so easy and fun. I think kids would love to do this part. For this third frame as well, I decided to use glitter on the part of the frame. So I protected the mirror again with the paper circle. Here I have used small mirrors. If you don't have access to these small mirrors, that's okay. You can use flat back rhinestones or half pearls or whatever is available to you. While sticking the mirrors, I made sure that they are stuck at a same distance from each other, approximately of course, but it makes it look nicer. I stuck the mirrors all around the frame the same way. Applied the glue and the glitter mixture on the black part of this frame as well. With the help of rhinestone wrapped strip, attach the bell to the frame, and I did this with all 3 frames. This wall decor can make a great gift for holiday season, or you can use it for yourself. And here's how the mirrors look. Don't they look dazzling? I hope you enjoyed this video. This decor will add pop to your walls for holiday season for sure. If you would like to see more of my work, please visit my channel Anju's Craft Obsessions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.